Hey everyone! Today, let's take a deep dive into AI Photoshoot and explore all its amazing features in detail. Let's go! Here, you'll notice three main sections. 1. Model selection. Click on the empty space to manually upload any model. For example, I've uploaded Henry Cavill. But wait, we can also use AI-generated models, both male and female, right here. Here you see we can control the model, so we are using the best suggested by QuickAds itself and let the everything switch on. And with prompting, we can even create new AI models. Like this one I just generated. Let's select it. 2. Apparel selection. Now, we need to choose the outfit for our model. Again, we have two options. Upload apparel manually. Select from AI pre-built apparel. For now, I'm selecting one from the AI collection. Now, let's generate. And voila, the results look absolutely stunning. But let's go even deeper. Now, I'll manually upload both the model, Henry Cavill, and the apparel to see the results. Also, check this out. QuickAds.ai lets you generate multiple variations at once by simply increasing the sample count. Let's try it. Boom! Look at these results. AI-powered fashion photography is truly next level. The future of AI is in the right hands. With QuickAds.ai, blast off.